Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Binance gift card. First, ensure you are logged into your Binance account. Once logged in, locate the gift card option, usually found under the Finance or More menu. This section is your gateway to both creating and redeeming gift cards. It's a straightforward process designed for ease of use, allowing you to quickly access the features you need. To create a gift card, select the Create Gift Card option. You'll then choose the cryptocurrency you wish to use, such as USD or BNB. Next, specify the exact amount you want to load onto the card. Double-check all the details to ensure accuracy before proceeding. After confirmation, your new Binance gift card will be ready, making it perfect for sending to friends or family. Redeeming a Binance gift card is just as simple. Choose the Redeem Gift Card option and carefully enter the unique code provided on the card. The system will display the card's value and associated cryptocurrency for your review. Once confirmed, the funds will be instantly credited to your Binance Spot wallet, ready for trading or withdrawal. It's a quick way to receive crypto. You can easily manage all your created and redeemed gift cards within the same section, viewing their status and history. Sharing a gift card is simple. You can send the code via email or any messaging app. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Binance gift cards offer a flexible and secure way to share cryptocurrency with anyone, anywhere, providing a convenient solution for digital asset transfers.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.